What are you interested in?
Working out.
What are you interested in?
Working out.
How old is your grandfather?
76 years old.
How old is your grandfather?
76 years old.
I like wearing white t-shirts and jeans.
So do I.
I like wearing white t-shirts and jeans.
So do I.
What would you want to eat for lunch?
Anything.
What would you want to eat for lunch?
Anything.
Have you called him?
Yes, but nobody answered me.
Have you called him?
Yes, but nobody answered me.
What's your blood group?
My blood type is A.
What's your blood group?
My blood type is A.
How heavy is the box?
About 10 kilograms.
How heavy is the box?
About 10 kilograms.
Excuse me, where is the subway station?
Over there.
Excuse me, where is the subway station?
Over there.
Can you play tennis?
No, I can't.
Can you play tennis?
No, I can't.
I can't cook. And you?
Me neither. Let's order takeout.
I can't cook. And you?
Me neither. Let's order takeout.
I like wearing dresses.
You look nice in a dress.
I like wearing dresses.
You look nice in a dress.
What kind of fruit did you buy?
Apple and strawberry.
What kind of fruit did you buy?
Apple and strawberry.
Is it cold in winter in Osaka?
Same here.
Is it cold in winter in Osaka?
Same here.
How many people are there in your party?
5.
How many people are there in your party?
5.
Have you seen him before?
Maybe. I am not sure.
Have you seen him before?
Maybe. I am not sure.
Would you like beef or chicken?
Chicken, please.
Would you like beef or chicken?
Chicken, please.
What is his nationality?
I think he is a French.
What is his nationality?
I think he is a French.
Do you know him?
I don't know.
Do you know him?
I don't know.
What about Mr. Smith?
He is finding a parking space.
What about Mr. Smith?
He is finding a parking space.
When will you come?
About 5 p.m.
When will you come?
About 5 p.m.
Take your temperature.
Oh man, 39 degrees?
Take your temperature.
Oh man, 39 degrees?
How is the service of that store?
Good.
How is the service of that store?
Good.
Have you reviewed what we learned yesterday?
Just a little.
Have you reviewed what we learned yesterday?
Just a little.
I'm hungry. Is there anything to eat?
Cook 2 eggs.
I'm hungry. Is there anything to eat?
Cook 2 eggs.
Have you ever been to Shanghai?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been to Shanghai?
No, I haven't.
I drank so that I can't drive.
I'll do it.
I drank so that I can't drive.
I'll do it.
You look sleepy.
I only slept 3 hours yesterday.
You look sleepy.
I only slept 3 hours yesterday.
How to write your name?
Like this.
How to write your name?
Like this.
Can you cook?
I can only make instant noodles.
Can you cook?
I can only make instant noodles.
Can you speak English?
Just a little.
Can you speak English?
Just a little.
How much are these?
It's not expensive. Just over 30.
How much are these?
It's not expensive. Just over 30.
Did you drive yourself?
Yes.
Did you drive yourself?
Yes.
Do you know this phone number?
I don't know either.
Do you know this phone number?
I don't know either.
What are they doing?
They are talking.
What are they doing?
They are talking.
Where is my tablet?
On the sofa.
Where is my tablet?
On the sofa.
Is it colder here than Chicago?
No, it's warmer here.
Is it colder here than Chicago?
No, it's warmer here.
What day is today?
It's Sunday.
What day is today?
It's Sunday.
I have been to Australia twice.
Me once.
I have been to Australia twice.
Me once.
Can you drive?
Yes, but not often.
Can you drive?
Yes, but not often.
Have you finished your meal?
There's still a little.
Have you finished your meal?
There's still a little.
What is your weight now?
Less than 100 caddies.
What is your weight now?
Less than 100 caddies.
I am 5 kilograms fatter than before.
Really? I can't tell.
I am 5 kilograms fatter than before.
Really? I can't tell.
Where do you work?
I work at the McDonald's.
Where do you work?
I work at the McDonald's.